Morning, good afternoon, and good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Hong Kong. Today we'll be headed to Ichiran, a ramen noodle shop which I'm really excited to go to. And then we'll be going to go buy some airsoft stuff and then going to play some airsoft. Yeah, check it out. I'll see you later. Alright guys, so now we're in Ichiran, located in Causeway Bay. Once inside, you're given this order sheet where you can customize the bowl of noodles that you want to exactly how you like it, ranging from the spice, garlic, and the toppings. Additionally, on top of the bowl of noodles that I ordered, I got myself some extra toppings such as pork, seaweed, and also an egg. For my bowl, I opted it without any spice, and now it's time to plate my extra toppings onto the bowl. Starting off by looking at the egg, you can see that it's a nice soft-boiled egg with a nice runny yolk. We then move on to the noodles, and it was just how I like it, nice and firm. And then you can tell by the broth, it had a very nice color and some richness and oiliness, which made it look delicious. Trying the noodles itself had the perfect consistency, just the way I like it. And the broth was so rich and oily, full of flavors. And combined with the toppings all in one bite, it was just amazing. Once I finished the bowl of noodles, we can then move on to one of the most notable things about Ichiran. You can order extra noodles. So that's exactly what I did. I then proceeded to consume the bowl of noodles and finish the bowl and finish all the soup because the soup was just so delicious. With the amazing meal out of the way, it is then time to go to Mongkok to go shop for some airsoft stuff before I go play some airsoft. Here in Mongkok, this is known as Gun Street because this is where all the airsoft stores reside. However, just in case for those of you who don't know what airsoft is, these are not real guns, these are guns that shoot plastic pellets. Once I got the supplies I need, it is then time to go play some airsoft. So enjoy the little montage I made of the game.
Ticking, time is over. Before you know you're older. So sober, alone, you getting my cold shoulder. You crying like it's rain. You causing all the pain. No closure, I'm colder. You getting nothing, Joker. Get down. Before you know you're older, you getting my cold shoulder. No closure, I'm colder. She getting nothing, Joker. Clock's ticking, time is over. Before you know you're older, so sober, alone. You getting my cold shoulder. You crying like it's rain. You causing all the pain. No closure, I'm colder. She getting nothing, Joker. 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 Clock's ticking, time is over. Before you know you're older, so sober, alone. You getting my cold shoulder. You crying like it's rain. You causing all the pain. No closure, I'm colder. You getting nothing, Joker. You getting nothing, Joker.
Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed that little montage. Now it's time for some dinner where I head back home for some hot pot. First I had to make a sauce, so I mixed some soy sauce and some other Chinese sauces together with some garlic and some spring onions to make the sauce. For this hot pot meal, we got a variety of foods to cook and enjoy. Starting off, I had some of this guai fa pong, which is basically just a clam thing, which is really good and crunchy and has this really nice chewy texture. Not only that, I also have some squid balls, dumplings, and oysters. Some of these dumplings include wonton, soy gao, yupei gao, which are really typical and very good dumplings to have when you have hot pot. Of course, you cannot forget the star of the meal, the beef. The beef was nice and thin and had very nice marbling and looked delicious. Tasting it, the beef was amazing, even without the sauce. It just melted in your mouth and was delicious. That pretty much wraps up today's video. I hope you enjoyed my day of airsofting and food. If you liked the video, be sure to comment and let me know what other videos you'd like to see. And yeah, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya!